The search for the perfect used SUV is fraught with risk. Many buyers fall for a sleek exterior and glowing reviews, only to discover their new purchase is a financial black hole, demanding constant, costly repairs. The truth is, most used SUVs on the market are riddled with hidden defects that can obliterate your budget. This isn't just a list, it's a strategic guide. We have analyzed real-world reliability data and expert insights to bring you the 15 most reliable used SUVs you can buy today. These vehicles are engineered to last, offering peace of mind and protecting your finances. Let's start into our countdown of the most dependable choices on the market. Lexus RX 350, 2014 to 2015. Taking the top spot as the most reliable used SUV you can buy is the Lexus RX 350. This is the quintessential choice for buyers who will accept nothing less than absolute dependability wrapped in luxury. The robust 3.5-liter V6 engine produces 270 horsepower and 278 pound-foot of torque, while running efficiently on regular unleaded fuel. The 2015 model represents the final year of its generation, meaning every component has been perfected through years of refinement. Major repairs are exceptionally rare. Its slightly dated styling by 2015 standards works in your favor, as it depreciates faster while its mechanical integrity remains bulletproof. You are getting peak Lexus with Toyota reliability at an attractive price point. Toyota 4Runner 2015 to 2022 plus. The Toyota 4Runner is the definition of uncompromising, over-engineered mechanical longevity. High-mileage examples are common and still command strong resale value. The secret is its powertrain, a large 4-liter V6 engine paired with a simple 5-speed automatic transmission. This old-school, naturally aspirated setup avoids the complexity of modern turbocharged engines and is specifically designed to sustain exceptionally high mileage with minimal issues. It's the preferred platform for overlanders and off-road enthusiasts who need absolute reliability in remote locations. The trade-off for its bulletproof nature is lower fuel economy. Lexus GX 460 2016 to 2020. The Lexus GX 460 is the ultimate fusion of luxury and truck-based toughness. It consistently earns near-perfect reliability scores. What sets it apart is its body-on-frame construction, shared with the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser. This architecture is designed for higher stress thresholds and greater longevity than unibody crossovers, leading to a far lower incidence of major mechanical failure. The 2016-2020 models represent the peak of this generation's refinement. You get genuine off-road capability, Lexus comfort, and exceptional long-term durability. Toyota Highlander 2014 to 2017. The Toyota Highlander stands as the most reliable used SUV in the three-row family segment. Owners consistently praise its dependability and comfort. The proven V6 engine and transmission are engineered for longevity over aggressive performance. These vehicles routinely reach 200,000 miles and beyond with just routine maintenance. The 2017 model year is particularly desirable as it made forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking standard across all trims. It offers the space and capability of luxury rivals for thousands less. Lexus NX 300 2017 and 2019 plus. The Lexus NX 300 delivers on the brand's promise of luxury and reliability, but model year selection is critical. The 2017 and 2019 models scored top marks for reliability and build quality. However, a crucial warning: the 2018 model year has documented major engine issues that can lead to catastrophic failure. This is a verified production fault that must be avoided. By strictly choosing the 2017 or 2019 Plus models, you get a premium compact crossover with exceptional interior quality, a refined drive, and low ownership costs. Honda CR-V 2013 to 2016. The Honda CR-V is the benchmark for worry-free ownership in the compact SUV segment. Its design brilliance lies in its simplicity. The 185 horsepower engine operates well within its stress limits, which is the direct cause of its phenomenally low rate of severe mechanical problems. What some perceive as a lack of power is the very key to its exceptional durability. The 2013 to 2016 models represent the perfected end of this generation's production run. Parts are plentiful, maintenance is inexpensive, and the ownership experience is famously straightforward. Acura RDX 2016 to 2018. The Acura RDX proves you can have luxury features without the exorbitant repair bills of European brands. It earns excellent reliability ratings with remarkably low annual service costs. Acura's philosophy focused on refinement over failure-prone, cutting-edge tech. The result is a robust powertrain, where major engine issues are exceptionally rare. Most owner complaints are limited to minor annoyances like occasional brake squeal. The 2016 to 2018 models are the sweet spot, offering significant depreciation from the original price, while the mechanical components are still in their prime. Honda Pilot 2009 to 2015. The second-generation Honda Pilot is the ideal solution for families needing 8-passenger capacity without sacrificing reliability. The 2014 model year offers exceptional value. Sharing its platform with the Honda Accord, the Pilot's V6 engine is a known workhorse, capable of reaching very high mileages without major issues. It's proven engineering in a family-friendly package. A quick pre-purchase inspection by a Honda knowledgeable mechanic is advised for earlier models to check the transmission and radiator system. For the price, you get immense space and Honda's legendary dependability. Honda Passport 2019 Plus. As one of the newest vehicles on our list, the Honda Passport leveraged a proven platform from the larger Pilot and Ridgeline, eliminating the reliability risks common to all new models. Its naturally aspirated V6 engine delivers smooth, predictable power without the complexity and potential failure points of turbocharged alternatives. The two-row configuration provides ample space without the added weight and mechanical complexity of a third row, slightly improving fuel economy while maintaining rugged construction. While newer models command a higher price, you are paying for Honda's latest engineering refinement, combined with established, proven durability. Toyota RAV4 2016 to 2018. The Toyota RAV4 is the benchmark for what a reliable used SUV should be. This generation sets the standard for practical, efficient, and worry-free transportation. The 176 horsepower engine is often described as modest, but this is its greatest strength. By operating conservatively and without strain, it significantly reduces wear on internal components, leading to a remarkably long lifespan. The hybrid variant further enhances reliability by reducing stress on the conventional brakes and transmission through regenerative braking. The 2016-2018 models represent the fully matured version of this generation, with all early issues resolved. Widespread popularity means parts are cheap and mechanics are highly familiar with them. Mazda CX-5 2018 to 2020. The Mazda CX-5 is where driving enjoyment and outstanding reliability converge. Its SkyActiv technology is engineered to achieve 200,000 to 250,000 miles with proper care. Mazda's focus is on efficiency and durability over raw power. The high compression, naturally aspirated engines generate power efficiently, minimizing stress. The transmissions are calibrated for smooth operation, which dramatically extends their service life. The 2018 model year is the sweet spot. offering a quieter cabin and standard active safety features. Owners who follow the maintenance schedule religiously report virtually no unscheduled repairs, even well past 150,000 miles. Hyundai Tucson, 2017 to 2021. Where exceptional value meets proven dependability, you'll find the Hyundai Tucson. This generation scored highly for reliability, but the real story is in the astoundingly low average annual repair costs. Hyundai prioritized longevity using proven, non-experimental powertrain technology. The result is a vehicle that simply doesn't break down. For most owners, yearly expenses are limited to routine maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations. The 2017-2021 models are the peak of Hyundai's reliability transformation, boasting manufacturing quality that competes directly with established Japanese leaders. It achieves this bulletproof reliability without sacrificing modern safety systems, comfortable interiors, and user-friendly technology. Kia Sportage, 2018 to 2022. The Kia Sportage represents a new era of quality for the Korean brand, earning an impressive reliability score that rivals more expensive Japanese models. It stands as a tremendous value proposition in the world of reliable used SUVs. While some critics note the engine isn't a powerhouse, this is actually a key durability advantage. An engine that isn't constantly pushed to its limits experiences less wear on critical components like pistons and crankshafts. The transmission is tuned for smooth, predictable shifts, avoiding the harsh engagement that leads to premature failure in more aggressively tuned vehicles. You get near Japanese reliability at a significantly lower price point, backed by strong warranty coverage. The 2018-2022 models benefit from Kia's mature and refined manufacturing processes. Mazda CX-9, 2017 to 2020. Proving that three-row SUVs can be both spacious and dependable, the Mazda CX-9 secures the 14th spot. This second-generation model showcases Mazda's innovative Skyactiv technology in the midsize segment. Unlike competitors chasing high horsepower, Mazda focused on durability. The Skyactiv platform utilizes high compression ratios for efficient combustion, delivering power without placing excessive strain on the engine. This engineering philosophy translates directly into long-term mechanical resilience. The interior quality rivals luxury brands and remains solid and rattle-free even after high mileage. For families needing 3 rows without the typical reliability compromises, the 2017-2020 CX-9 is a stellar choice. Adhere to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule for a headache-free ownership experience. Subaru Forester, 2014 to 2018. Kicking off our list of reliable used SUVs is the steadfast Subaru Forester. Don't mistake its practical appearance for a lack of capability. This generation has earned a loyal following for one simple reason: its sheer refusal to quit. The heart of its dependability lies in the pairing of Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system with a naturally aspirated engine. This powertrain is designed to operate well within its performance limits, significantly reducing stress on internal components. The result is a robust system built for longevity, perfectly suited for adventurous driving on all types of terrain. Owners who use these for camping and skiing report exceptional performance with minimal issues. Its boxy design maximizes interior utility, and its massive aftermarket support is a testament to its long-term ownership appeal. To ensure its legendary reliability, prioritize regular differential and transmission fluid changes.